Good morning and welcome to another way I can poke holes in your sense of safety. I'm Ashley, Cat Collector in Chief, and I'm here to talk to you about why antivirus ain't gonna cut it. You're a smart, tech-savvy human. You know you need antivirus. You've got it on your desktop. You should be set, right? Wrong. Antivirus was invented 30 years ago for desktop machines just beginning to connect to the internet. It sees malware after it's already been installed on your device, rather than preventing it at the network layer from installing it in the first place. Because 93% of malware is now polymorphic. Poly, many, morphic, form. Many forms. So it shapeshifts in real time to dodge antivirus detection. Recently, a Russian hacking group, FXMSP, say that 3 times fast, tried to make money by selling network access to 3 antivirus companies. Antivirus is way less secure than you think, and it's got one major flaw. It's that tiny little computer you carry around everywhere. No, not your laptop. You know, the tiny one, your smartphone. And where do those mobile devices stay? In a nice secure network at your house? Nope, they go where you go, which means they are sitting ducks for those hackers, quackers, and keyboard clackers. Antivirus is always chasing yesterday's virus signatures, and it just doesn't work for mobile. So what do we need? Layers. Ogres have layers. Security has layers. So let's look at 3 layers we need for real cybersecurity. Security layer number 1, update your devices. Always, all devices have updates that handle any security vulnerabilities that have cropped up that we know of, so don't defer the install. Security layer 2, keep an eye out for those phishing emails. Those bad hackers are going to use alert language to try to get you to click on a link or download a file. Your antivirus can't hold the door shut if you're opening up the floodgates. Security layer number 3, use that secure VPN. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel so that your traffic is hidden away from prying eyes. Rubica is a great VPN and an app for all devices and actually has a threat hunting team of cyber analysts. The cherry on top? Good VPNs aren't just limited to your computer. They go where you go. So there you have it. Just because you're using antivirus doesn't mean you get to kick back on the beach. Be proactive, be alert, and always remember, Rubica's got your back.